Do you want to be able to pay with Klarna on Airbnb? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this. So as you can see, to be able to pay with Klarna at Airbnb, then you can just actually choose Klarna at checkout. So when you are done checking out, you can actually see where it says payment method, and then you're going to select Klarna. So let's just go into the Airbnb official website in here. And as you can see, we should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now what we're going to do, we're going to just search for a location. Let's say like London as an example. Let's take some random dates, add a guest, and then click on search in here. And as you can see, we should now be taken to this page. Let's just take this one as an example. Let's say that I want to be able to actually rent this one right here for 1 day. Let's just click on reserve in here. And as you can see, we should now be taken to this page. So if you scroll down in here, you will be able to see where it says pay over time with Klarna. So just choose this option right here. And when you're going to obviously have to log in if you haven't already logged in into your account. But when you click on continue, then afterwards in here, and you come to the last page when you're going to check out, when you're going to basically just confirm everything, you're going to be able to actually use Klarna if you're accepted, obviously. Maybe some of you aren't accepted into Klarna, but if you are and everything is okay with Klarna, then you will be able to actually use Klarna to be able to pay on Airbnb. So this is exactly how to do this.